Dine A Yoga, CTV Bravo Company EXO, Claire Abogado. First platoon leader, girls, Charis Borbillo. Second platoon leader, girls, Princess Ken Corporal. Papi Company Commander, Isa May Dacuba. Papi Company EXO, Mark Cristo Palo. First platoon leader, Jasmine Garcia. Second platoon leader, Joseph Ronquillo. School head, Dr. Amelia B. Albero. CTV Mabel Facilitator, Jerry S. Argones. Main Church Coordinator, Sandy B. Orticio. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Alan B. Monforte. Assistant Band Coordinator, Emiliano B. Bicelia. Entry number 16, Don Emiliano Platon Memorial National High School, Santa Cruz, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 16, Don Emiliano Platon Memorial National High School, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Next entry.